Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up OVHcloud VPS with Docker containers step by step clearly. First, visit the OVHcloud website to create an account or log into your existing account. Select VPS from the product options available on the dashboard. Choose your desired VPS configuration based on your project needs. Once you've made your selection, proceed to the checkout and complete the payment process. After your payment is confirmed, navigate to your OVHcloud control panel to access your VPS. Find the VPS you just ordered in the list of your services. Click on your VPS to view its details and management options. Next, access the SSH credentials provided to connect to your server. Open your terminal or command prompt on your local machine. Type the command sshroot at your _VPS_IP_ address, replacing your _VPS_IP_ address with the IP address of your VPS. When prompted, enter the password provided in the OVHcloud panel. You are now connected to your VPS. Once logged in, you may want to update your package list by running the command apt update. Follow this with apt upgrade to ensure all packages are up to date. Next, install Docker by executing the command apt install docker.io. After installation, start the Docker service using system-start docker. To ensure Docker starts on boot, run system-enable docker. Check if Docker is installed correctly by typing Docker version. Next, you can pull a Docker image to test your installation. Use the command docker pull hello world to get a simple test image. After the image is downloaded, run it with docker run hello world. This command will download and run the image, displaying a welcome message if everything is set up correctly. Now you're ready to create and manage your Docker containers. To create a new container, use the command docker run dp80:18 Jinx, which will run in Jinx web server. Verify that your container is running by typing docker ps. You can access your Jinx server by typing your VPS IP address into a web browser. If you want to stop your container, you can do so with docker stop container_id, replacing container_id with the actual ID from the docker ps command. To remove the container, use docker rm container_id. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.